Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Jacob Locke, CEO and founder of unLocked CRM. In this quick video, I wanted to show you exactly what comes with our Pro plan. It's a step above our core plan and sits right beneath our Max plan, which I think is this plan's a good happy medium. And so there's a handful of features I want to go through here. I want to be conscious of your time. And so really, you sign up for the Pro plan where you upgrade to Pro. This is where I would start. First off is our Agent AI feature. And I'm sure you've seen some form of this feature through our marketing and webinars and whatnot. But essentially what this feature does is that's an AI outbound caller that can make calls on behalf of you. But we take a step further and we use voice cloning technology to where you can clone your voice in this AI outbound caller. Will call these leads and contacts and clients on your behalf in your own voice and the way you would speak. And so you come into here, you'll see you can connect your phone number right here on this page. You can upload as many voice clonings or preset voices we already have available right here. And then you can configure a script on what type of outreach. And then once you have all those set up, that's when you'll come to campaigns and create a campaign to do outreach. And so the idea with this tool is that you could give it thousands and thousands of old, leads or data, or if you have a renewal list, whatever it may be, you have all of this set up for Agent AI to go through and call through in a day. And so you set up your voice, you connect the phone number, you set up the script. So say you have an old list of final expense leads that you haven't contacted in a year. You have 1,000 of them. Agent AI would be able to go through these, call all of these people on your behalf, sounding like you. And you wake up the next day and you have a handful of appointments, which I think is fun. We also have the conversations tab where you can see all the conversations right through here. So that's where I would start number one on my Pro plan. I would get my Agent AI set up. If you need help with this, if it looks intimidating, feel free to reach out to our support and onboarding team. Next, I would go to our automations feature. And every plan gets some form of automations, but through Pro, you get our build with AI where you can build an automation in 30 seconds. And so we'll just take one of these preset items here. So create a lead nurturing drip campaign that sends a welcome SMS, waits 2 days, and then sends a follow-up. Pretty easy. You put it through, it maps through exactly what you're needing. I'll actually move my my face over here. And as you can see this, and what this does is that it allows you to create automations or workflows in 30 seconds, which used to take, days at a time. And so just by that, it'll indicate if the step is ready or not. And look, everything's ready. All I have to do is click publish, and when whatever I have my trigger as, it's good to go. So this is a big step. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. If you need help setting up an automation, or if you're not too confident using this, we do have a dedicated automation specialist on our staff to help you. But all you have to do to become an automation builder now is just chat with the platform, which I think makes it really fun. And so moving down the line here with our Pro plan, we went through Agent AI, we went through automations. I would then next look at our AI quoting feature. And so we have a couple different AI quoters available, one for life insurance, the other for Medicare, the other for Medicare supplement, and the last for ACA Marketplace. We'll just do our life insurance quoter for example's sake here. And when we come here, it's the same thing as far as like the agent or the AI automation builder goes, where you just chat what you need. So instead of having to fill out a quoter form, you just type or speak what you need. We'll just use one of these preset examples, and you get a real quote request in seconds. And so you do that. It's going to search, go through everything that you can need, and I got 36 life insurance quotes in the matter of seconds. And then what you can do with this, you can take one of these quotes and you can send it to a contact just like that, via text, via email. And so the AI quoters have a big value add in them, and to where it's the same thing. You just type what you need, which I think is really fun. So if we go back over here and I look through some items here, another piece here would be our Underwrite AI feature. same thing, just chat with what you need. So if you have a case that you're struggling with, you have no idea what to quote them at, you're not hearing back from your IMO with the details you gave, you can certainly just type in here what type of case you have. And as an FYI, with our Life AI quoter, it actually is integrated with Underwrite AI. So you have the full experience there. So if you start listing off medications, any issues that they're having through those quoters, it will reference Underwrite AI's knowledge base. This is purely just if you want a rate class and you're not sure exactly what to rate them at. We'll put in a healthy term case and just for example's sake, show you what you get. So in seconds, it gives you this back. It gives you a live feed of the client, a checklist, and the current read for it. It gives you tips on how you can improve the case. It also provides follow-up questions so it can give it better results. But you can see here, just like that, it gives you the top 5 carriers, and then you can display all the carriers available. You can then go and quote this client, download a summary, or send it to the client. And so with that being said, I don't want to drag the video on any further. As far as pricing for the Pro plan goes, if you're already on it, you obviously know, but if we come to our page here, $149 a month, AI quoting, Agent AI, voice cloning, AI automation builder, our Underwrite AI feature. And the last piece here that I'll mention is if you go into the phone system, this plan comes with our AI inbound receptionist, Arwin, and it's an easy setup. You go to our setup guide, it'll get you set up, but essentially this can be your AI inbound receptionist. You can give it the generic female voice we give it, or you can upload your clone voice. So it seems like you work 24/7, which I think is fun. Very easy to set up. It can book appointments for you, handle any type of request that comes through, and it's all a part of our Pro plan. So if you have any questions over our Pro plan, feel free to let me or the team know. We'd be happy to support you. But we try to make this a cost-effective plan, but give you all the AI capabilities that you could ever imagine, which I think is fun. If you have any questions, reach out to the team. Appreciate your time, and look for the next video. Thank you.